should've let you go. Never found myself at home ever since that day that you walked right out the door. You were like my beating heart that I can't control. Even though we've grown apart, my brain can seem to let you go. Thinking back to the old times when you kept me up late at night. We used to mess around, laugh and play, fuss and fight. I guess it's too late, I'm dancing this dance alone. This chapter's done, the story goes on. Baby, can't believe that you are not with me, 'cause you should be my lady. All I want is to set your heart free. But if you believe that you belong with him, promise me you won't let anyone hurt you. Remember, I will always be here for you, even if it kills me to see you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress. See you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress. Oh no, snapping out this misery. Depression, this ain't me, but I always turn around 180 degrees. You got control of me that I can't explain. Somebody call 911 emergency before I go insane. Since you've moved on, you took a piece of me, give it back. So much pain in my chest, blacking out, heart attack. I guess it's too late, I'm dancing this dance alone. It's too late.
See you with your man, and it's hard to understand if we belong. If I did you wrong where we even began, we would always fuss and fight, and it seems nothing was right. But I loved you, girl, and you were my world, but you never trust this guy. 'Cause the things I do when I'm on the stage, they say I'm a superstar. You couldn't understand all the female fans, and then we grew apart. And I just don't get when you're acting like some other person. But I try my best to hold on at the times when it ain't working. And every time they say it's over, it breaks my heart and I don't know why. 'Cause you done it a lot of times in the past, but to get back up and try. You said we could work it out, how could you hurt me now? And you moved on to the next, I'm left with an imperfect smile.